Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farhan Hasim Muhammad. My metric number 81EC4045. So in here, I want to explain the program one in the lab 3. So first, I will explain about the code. In here, we define the data, the str1, str2. This is for getting the input from the user. So this is the initial message. And then rest1 and rest2 variable is to give the output of the result of both perimeter of the hexagon and also the total perimeter hexagon of 1 and 2. So this will sum the both perimeter. And then hex num 1 and hex num 2 this is the length of a side of both hexagon, and per hex num 1 and per hex num 2 is the perimeter of both hexagon. And then total perimeter is the sum of per hex num 1 and per hex num 2. Now we move on to the code. So in here, first move edx offset str1. So this is will call the first input in here, the str1, and then we call what string, so it will output into the terminal, and then we call it to get the input from the user for the number, and then we assign the number in AAX in the register to the variable hex num1. And then at the second is same, so it calls the input in here, and then with the value from the user in the terminal, so it will uh, assign the value inside the register into the variable hex num2. In here we start the calculation. So first we define the counter. The counter is 6 into the register ECX, and then we define the initial value of EAX, which is 0. Now this is the first assignment, the value of hex num1 into the register EBX, and then the loop starts. In the loop, so we add the value EBX into the EAX, and then we loop in here until the counter is finished to 0. And then we assign the final value of the sum of EAX into the variable per hex num1, which is the perimeter of the hexagon. And then we define uh, the counter again in here to be 6, and then we assign the initial value, and then we assign the value in hex num2 into the temporary register, which is EBX. And then we loop again in here, so it will assign the EBX, it will add the EBX into EAX, and then we loop until the counter is finished, and then the final value of EAX will be assigned into the perimeter hexagon. Now is the output for the final step. So first, this will output the rest one, which is we want to define both for the value of the perimeter. So this, as usual, call the white string to output the string, and then call CRLF. This is for the end line, and then we output the value of perimeter hexagon 1 into the AAX, and then we write the number into the screen and call CRLF again to match the output in the question, and then we output the value of perimeter hexagon 2, and then we write into the screen, and then we end the line in here. Now is the final output. So in here we want to add the parameter hexagon 1 into the parameter hexagon 2, and then we assign final value into the total param variable. And then as usual, we want to use the rest2 as the template to output the total parameter. So we move the offset into the EDX and call string, and then we move the total parameter into the EAX, and then we call the writeDeck to output the result, and then we end the line. So we test the output in here. So we run. So in here, the first hexagon is 21, second hexagon is 32, and then the value is same. So 126 and also 192, and the total parameter is 318. So it's same. So that's all from me, Farhan Rasim Muhammad. Thank you.